So we are at the Bangkok Tower, and we're gonna eat the what is it called?
Portland City Grill.
Portland City Grill. Just so you know, there's a reservation here. Looks nice here. Hi.
Happy hour?
Yeah.
In the bar, it's all open seating.
It looks nice here. It reminds me of the castle.
What?
Reminds me of the castle. Oh. 대박. 여기도 그냥 이렇게 먹는 거야?
응?
어. That's cool. Everybody, we're in Mars. We're in Mars. I'm kidding. A while ago, like 10 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago, we were basically in a long road of Rocky Mountain. Wait, was that Rocky Mountain?
Well, it wasn't. I don't know. No, it wasn't Rocky Mountain. But the mountain was rocky.
Do you guys see that black? Forest. It's crazy. It's just like a black hole in the mountain. Big ass hole. The mountains just looks like, oh yeah, so the Rocky Mountain was still scary. It was sharp, and my boyfriend saw like a big part of a rock that came off on the mountains. Scary. I'm glad we didn't get into an accident. Right now, 6:54 p.m. We're almost there. So, yeah. Oh my god, that bridge is scary.
Turn left onto US 97 toward Yakima.
We're gonna ride that bridge over there. Hey look, everybody's McDonald's. McDonald's everywhere. Happy place for everybody. Now it's 7 o'clock. Ooh, that's a Washington Villa. That's a lot of truck. We're gonna go in. Dun 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 dun. Oh, Yakima. So we're in Washington.
No, we're not.
Oh.
It just means it's way toward Yakima.
Damn, there's a lot of truck. Oh, okay. Oh, be careful. That guy's crazy. Oh, wait.
Where? I'm not. I'm just scooting up.
Okay.
Oh, this is the Columbia River. I think we're in Washington now.
Turn left onto US 97.
Observatory, and we are on our way to our hotel. It's gonna take us like 2 hours to get there. Pretty dangerous because there's like barely no lights in the mountains like usual. So we are going home now. I mean, not home now, hotel. Sorry.